Hello! It's been forever since I've posted on this channel. Well, to be honest, it's not like anybody's waiting for me here, but for the few people who do watch my videos, I prepared something for you. Puzzles. This clearly impossible puzzle. I'm actually recording this intro again because I did record it one time. Opened the package like I'm doing a product review. I'm not doing a product review. I don't know, wanted to open it on camera for some reason. Wanted to try that. But after I opened everything, I realized that my mic was not turned on. So, no audio in the entire thing. Thankfully, noticed it before recording any further. I'll show you like a fast forward clip of me opening this thing because I don't know what I expected when I read clearly impossible puzzle. I knew there were clear puzzle pieces. I don't know if I did not expect them to be so small, but I was fairly confident before, but looking at this now, I'm actually kind of scared. This was not going to be the focus of the video. The purpose of this video was to talk to you guys because I like doing that. And, do something in the background, maybe solve a puzzle together was what I was thinking, but feels like solving the puzzle together is all we're gonna do tonight. I'm just gonna, start separating the corner pieces and edges. Also, there was a card. It's here somewhere. It said that this comes with false edges and false corner pieces, which just seems cruel to me. Like, why would you do that? But for some reason they do that. It comes with false edges, so I have to be careful of that too. I'm actually really good at puzzles. I like doing puzzles. And so I thought, let's try something a little challenging. And I found this, and this came in different sizes. Like there was a 100 piece, 200 piece, 500 piece, something like that. So I thought, go big or go home, right? So I bought the 500 pieces one, and then as I added this to cart, it showed me that there's also one with 1,000 pieces. And I thought, we don't need to go that big. So 500 pieces it is. I like stuff like this, It's nice because we're on our screens so much. We do everything on our screens, so I like doing stuff outside of that, like puzzles, and I don't really know any single person board games. If you have any suggestions, please tell me. I would like to try. There's so many pieces and they're so tiny. I think I should put these in here. That would be easier. I was going to do this on my coffee table, but my coffee table is also clear. How long do you think it's going to take me to do this? Where's my phone? It's 1:09. Let's see how long this takes. Even though the audio was off, I'm kind of thankful that the camera was on because I'm telling you the shock when I saw this. Because I saw the photos when I ordered this, but still, looking at it, these pieces are so tiny. I stay at home a lot these days. It's like quarantine part 2 for me, for no reason. I just don't like going out these days. And I did a lot of things during quarantine, I watched a lot of movies, like the rest of the world, a lot of YouTube, a lot of TV series and stuff, but I also picked up a lot of hobbies. I tried to make perfume. from the flowers in my garden. That was fun. The perfume was not very good, to be honest, but it was fun. There's a corner piece. I should separate the corner pieces too. That'll make life easier for me. Even separating the edges is taking so long. This puzzle, I did not expect it to be this hard, but it looks really hard. This is not a product review, by the way. I'm so scared if any of the pieces fall down. Even sectioning this has taken so long. How do you guys solve puzzles? Do you do the edges first? Or do you like make a row and start from there? Because if you do that, I don't think I can do that. I've never tried. I've always done it this way. Wait, why are there only 4 corner pieces? It said there would be fake edges and corner pieces. But there's only 4 corner pieces. This is sorted, finally. Although, knowing me, there might be some edges in there too. Maybe a couple of corner pieces because it did say fake edges and corner pieces. Does it matter which corner piece goes there? They all look the same to me. Let's just try. I don't really know what I'm doing, but this feels right. I should separate the horizontal and vertical edges. That's not an edge. Neither is this. This is not an edge piece either. There are definitely edges in here. For sure. I should count these. How many are those? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Why 51? So maybe there is 1 extra piece, so 25, 25. 1, 2. 48, 49. Okay, 25, 25, 24, 24, and there's 1 extra piece in both of these. Right? I don't think they would give us more than 2 or 3 fake edges. Why would they do that? I don't think they would give us more than 2 or 3 fake edges. 19, 20. Am I doing this right? One extra piece, then I'll just keep it on the side. They all look the same though, all the pieces. I'm just adding whatever fits. I don't know if that's gonna cause any problem later. It doesn't stay straight. Just keeps doing this. Oh, this does not fit here. Oh, this does not work. Why? 1, 2. $24. Oh, they don't fit. What do I do now? They don't fit. God damn it. Oh no! What do I do now? I need one that's empty on both sides, but I have one that has these bumps on both sides. I need one with spaces on both sides. Is there any extra one in here that I missed by any chance? Oh, maybe I missed some edges. Maybe there's something in here. Maybe there are more fake edges than I thought. You know what? That's a better plan. This would take forever. Maybe I should remove a couple rows, and then that will work. Maybe instead of 2, there are maybe 4 or 6 fake edges. Oh, I found a fake, I found an edge. The one that I want, the one that I need, exactly the one that I wanted. Yes! Okay, there are only 2 fake edges. I mean, that's what I was thinking. How can there be more than 2? How many fake pieces do you think they're gonna give us? 2, maybe 3? That's more than enough. 1, 2, 24. One more. Still doesn't fit. Okay, maybe there is 24. I'm just gonna go with 24 instead of 25. Okay, 25, 25, 24, 24, and there's one extra piece in both of these. Oh, right, there were 24, not 25. 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24. What an idiot. This is 25. This is 24. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh. A piece fell. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay. Dude, I have to be so careful with this. This video was not supposed to be about this puzzle. It was supposed to be about us. Us talking. So 4 fake pieces. Oh no, this is not an edge. 3 fake pieces. Yeah, 3 sounds like more than enough. It's 25, right? 1, 2, 3, 28, 24. What the hell? What now? Neither of these fit here. If I make 26, then they'll fit. Okay, maybe remove this one because they look... Okay. Finally, some progress. It's 1:47. Oh my god, it took almost 40 minutes to make just the edges. Let's start with this now. Wait a minute. It took like a minute, just a minute to make this row. How is this so easy? Isn't it supposed to get tough? Bruh, why is this so easy? You know, because there is no picture that you have to follow. All these pieces, they're different, but you know, there's like 5, 6 different shapes. That's it. They all look the same. There's just a couple different shapes that you have to put together. How is this so easy? I thought this was gonna be really, really difficult. Ah, edge. For something named clearly impossible? My 5-year-old nephew can do this. I would have to make the edges for him, but after that, I think he would be able to handle this. Do you know what would be more difficult? A 1,000-piece puzzle with a photo on it, like a landscape or anything, any kind of photo on it. Because in those, whoa. What's impossible is keeping this in place. It just keeps moving so much. It's not very stable. Yeah, what was I saying? Because in the ones with the photos, every piece has its own place. It's not like a piece that goes here, you could put it here. With this one, these pieces are all the same. Even a 500-piece puzzle with a photo on it, any kind of photo on it, would be much, much more difficult than this. I thought this would be really hard because it says clearly impossible. I thought this was going to be a nightmare. It's not. Am I being too cocky? Is it going to come back to bite me later? It's very, very satisfying. It's really fun, but not difficult, and clearly not impossible. There's not even like an up and down thing. I can put it like this, I can put it like this. Ah, another edge. Told you, knowing me, I would definitely have put some edges in here. So easy, to the point that it's almost boring now. But it's also very satisfying to just put these pieces in place. Another edge. It's just 2:13. We finished the edges at around 1:50. And now we're almost halfway there. Not exactly halfway there, but still. How many rows are done? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh no. What did I tell you? It's just really hard to keep this thing together. It just keeps breaking. Another edge. Oh my god, there are so many fake edges. As more and more fake edges keep coming out, edge pieces. I don't know if they're fake or not. I'm kind of scared that maybe there should have been one more row or one more column. This is what's hard. Because there is no photo, we don't know how many pieces go on each side. Is it gonna be like that I keep saying this is so easy, this is so easy, and then at the end I would be crying because I just can't complete it, because it gets really difficult all of a sudden. This video became all about this puzzle. What if that's the big surprise, that it's actually not really tough? The fact that I can do this, that I don't have to keep all the pieces out, I'm not looking for a certain piece. There must be other games that are just as much fun to play alone. I need to find more games like that. Again, if you have any suggestions, just let me know. Do you know any games that somebody can play alone? Because I really love games a lot. Why? So dramatic. Another edge. How many fake edges were there? Are they all fake? Or did I miss something? Oh no, King, don't do that. I can't find a piece that'll fit here. You know what, I don't think it's that difficult. Where are these? Dude, this is not enough to do all of this. What? Oh, there are more fake edges than I thought. It's getting harder and harder to find the pieces that are neat. Wait a minute, this is the final row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15? 1, 2, 3, 4, 25. There's 10 less pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 14, 15. So if I remove one column, then I'll have 15 extra pieces with this 15, and oh, that'll make it 30. That's not right. Are there fake middle pieces too? Like there are fake edges? 15. Oh, there's exactly 15 more pieces. Maybe there's one extra column. Oh, that makes more sense. Then that would mean these are all fake edges. Instead of breaking the entire thing, let's just break it from here, and then we'll see. Oh. Don't fall apart. Okay, what do I do now? Add one more. Never panic. Never panic. That's how you solve every situation. You just don't panic. We're still not done though. Oh, I have more edges. Oh no. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh, this does not work. Now we just need to find the pieces that fit, and then it'll be done. Oh? Why did I put this here? It doesn't fit. Oh no. I put this piece here and this piece does not fit. What do I do? How do I change that? Remember when I said this is so easy? It's not. Come on, stop doing that. How do I replace it? Every single piece is fit so perfectly. How? Maybe a piece from a corner somewhere? Like this one? Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so smart.
Bruh.
Huh. No. No, 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 no. Huh. No. This is the edge piece that I need. I was trying to push in the piece that would not fit here. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, they don't fit. Great. Breaking it is so much scarier because you just don't know if you're gonna end up breaking the entire thing. Oh my god. I'm almost done. Just one piece. Oh. If I use this, then can I use this? Oh no. Then I can use this. What do I do here then? Oh my god. I'm sweating. Why am I sweating? Oh my god, just one piece. Just one piece. Did I drop a piece somewhere? Any chance? Did I drop a piece somewhere? What if, no. Let's just put this back in here. What did I do wrong? Oh, what do I do? How would that help? There has to be one more. There has to be one more. I definitely dropped it somewhere.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
I'm gonna use a calculator so I'm not wrong. 28, 17, 476, 77, 78. Oh no, nothing's missing. It's 500 pieces. I don't think you can see where I'm stuck, but let me show you a picture of the pieces I have in the empty space. I need to move these from this row, and we can adjust that by adding a different edge. Okay. Somehow made it worse. How did I do that? It's done. I don't know how it's done, but it's done. How did I do that? Oh my god. Oh, it's done. My masterpiece is finally... Oh, yes! 24 pieces. And I was thinking there wouldn't be more than 2 or 3. Oh, wow. Oh, but look at how Look at how pretty this is. Let me click a photo for you guys. This looks like, you know those really high-tech computers in sci-fi movies? This is what their keyboards usually look like. They're just like... We were hit. Left wing compromised. Can you fix this? I don't think I can, Dan. This is really tough. Please, we need you, otherwise we're all gonna die. I'll try. Fixed it. That's kind of what it looks like. Wow. That ending though. Oh my god, it's 3:13. It's been 2 hours. That ending, that one piece not fitting, it took like half an hour to fix that. I don't even know how I fixed that. I think the fake edges are not really a disadvantage. I mean, yeah, you definitely have to figure out how many rows and columns you need to make, but after that, they're actually really helpful because there's only a limited number of shapes in this, and so to make it, I think everybody would end up fixing these in a different way. So you need these extra pieces to make it right according to how you're doing this. Because if there were not any fake edges, then it might have been a little difficult to finish this. You know what I'm saying? Trust me, if you make this, you'll know what I'm saying. It's so satisfying, this. Touching it and just looking at it. It's so satisfying. I don't want to break it, but I'm gonna have to. I still stand by it though. I think a 1,000-piece puzzle with a picture on it would be much more difficult. Or at least similar amount of difficult. I think the only way to be 100% sure would be to try it. But this was not really easy either, and it was a lot of fun. I think what's really tough are Legos. I've never tried to make any Legos, but they just look so difficult. There are so many tiny little pieces. I do want to try, you know, all the Star Wars Legos. They look really fun, you know, like the Death Star. And there's also Millennium Falcon. And I think there's also Yoda ones. And there are so many different Legos for Star Wars and a lot of other things. I do want to try making Legos, but the thing is that I would have to break it after I finish making it because I don't really have... Right now I don't have any place to display any Legos that I make. So that's the reason that I haven't tried them yet, because I don't even want to break this puzzle. Anyways, even though this was not supposed to be the main thing today, this was not supposed to be the focus of the video. I guess if you're doing something, that's automatically going to become the focus of the video, but I did enjoy it. I did have a lot of fun, and I hope you weren't bored. I mean, if you were, you probably would not be watching right now, so if you're here till the end, thank you so much for watching, and yeah. I'll see you soon.